Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to play with friends in chess.com. It's actually quite simple. You want to sign into your account and just click on play on the left hand side. And here there are options to play online, play bots, play coach, or play a friend. So you want to play a friend, invite a friend to a game of chess. So this is what we want to choose. So click on this. There you go. And you're going to be brought to a new board here. And as you can see, your opponent is friend, right? And just search your friend list here by just typing, type the name of your friend's username here. And then it's going to show up and just choose them. So it'll be able to send, or you will be able to send the game to your friend. And make sure that before you send a game, choose wisely, choose the custom challenge, choose how long it'll take for each round. Is going to be blitz, bullet, rapid, daily, and then after that you'll be good to go. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.